Hey guys, Super Goku here, and I'll be playing Will You Press the Button. Now this is kinda like a Would You Rather game, but like it's on mobile, PC. I'll be playing it. I'll leave a description down below so you guys can like download it for yourself. Okay, I'm gonna stop wasting time and get on with this game. Okay. Okay. Will you press the button? You have more, you have much more life quality, i.e. more intelligent, more energy and passion for the things you love. But you live a life a span shorter. Lifespan shorter. I mean, I don't care if I get like more intelligent, more energy and passion. I just want to be myself. So no, I will not click the button. Um, what? What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow, dude. Let me guys in the comments below if you want me to like do a consequence with this. Like, hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry for that, guys. I actually wanted like to do a consequence, but I don't see nothing that I could do a consequence with. So we're just gonna have to get it on. Have a look. And let's actually read the comments. Have a lifespan shorter. Okay, I will live half the lifespan of the oldest idiot. Choose a fruit fry and you get a half day cut off. We have trees, so I still don't get it why these people. You become the most beautiful human in the world, but you will be hunted down fiercely by a static serial killer. The most beautiful. I mean, no lie, I got a family. They're gonna protect me, so I rather kill less. Okay, that's nice. Will you press the find the curses to all illnesses and diseases, but you 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 are vulnerable to all illnesses and diseases, and the cure works 50%. 50% is not that bad. So um I mean 50% is not that bad. Guys, I don't know. These hard questions, my dude. Yeah. I mean 50% is not that bad. Yes, finally. Okay. You get unlimited money, but you can't have kids. Man, I don't care if I have kids. I don't care. I don't care if I have kids. I mean, if you get kids, they might be annoying, my boy. They might be annoying. So I rather press the button. My gosh. Nice peaceful music. And then this happens. That's nice. Next. you become immortal, but you will become an immortal, but you can never die. Eventually, the sun will explode, and you have to float in space for eternity with nothing to do until the universe. No, no. Yes. I don't care if I be. All dubstep and techno will be ridden from the world, but Grand was never released. I mean, I mean, I don't really play that. I don't, I don't, I have never played Grand Theft Auto. Like, I know what it is. I've seen my friends play it. I've seen my brother play it. But I don't care if Grand Theft Auto. Wow, those people love Grand Theft Auto. Get 100 in your bank account every day that you can only spend on yourself. But you must accept a phone call from a starving child before every move. Are you kidding me? You have the ability to teleport, but because of this, the whole world will be after you. I don't care if I get teleport, my boy. I'm sorry guys for all this movie. I'm just trying to get a comfortable sit right here. Okay, next. You can freeze time for 30 seconds at a time whenever you want. You won't age in this state. But to reactivate freeze, you must snap your finger on the exact nanosecond. Nanosecond runs out. Like literally when it runs out. This boy said I can't snap. Me too. Two people can't snap. I'm done. It's so easy. Like this. What's so hard? Freeze time. Yeah, but a nanosecond, my boy. It's hard to get it like a nanosecond. Like no lie, it's hard. 2 hour nut. Are you kidding me? Isn't that hard, my boy? That's very hard. You can teleport anywhere you will once per hour. Once per hour. But if you try to teleport again within the hour, you spin the roll of death. Did you? No. Are you kidding me? I mean, a 50 chance is not that bad. I'm gay if... What? You can eat your favorite foods for the rest of your life without getting... You have a... No. Diarrhea? Yo. No, 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 no. 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 You can travel through all time and space, everywhere and anywhere. But you are the very last of your species. Basically the Doctor then. Doctor Who? This is the Doctor. I don't know about this, guys. You can travel through all time and space. Very good. species. Yo, I'm about to die right now. Next, you know what's better? I can actually turn my Wi-Fi off, and there will be no ads. Yes, I am such a genius. I am such a genius. You will become a successful game journalist, but you will die of natural causes. I mean, this guy says, what if you're above 34? Well, that's true. That's true. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I hate this game. Oh, I just realized. Now I have to turn my Wi-Fi on. Well, that's good. Guys, I think we have a problem. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back to fix this. Yeah, I had to actually restart my game. So, yeah. You gain the ability of technices to use anytime, anywhere. But you become exhausted that is proportional to the weight of items moved with the ability. No. Okay. You're the smartest person on the but everyone, yo, I'm way too close to the camera. I need to back up, my boy. Okay. You're the smartest person on the planet, but everybody thinks you're mentally handicapped, and they do not believe you. Yeah. Um. Oh. Yeah. Guys, I'll be right back. I have to do something. Yeah, I have to actually do something real quick. So yeah. Handicap. I rather I don't actually care if I'm, like handicap. I don't actually care if I'm the smartest person. I just want to be myself, because you can be with any person you choose for the rest of your life, but no one else in the world will acknowledge your instance. Just to tell you guys that was not a burp. Don't go crazy in the comments. Wow. You can eat any of your favorite 3 foods for the rest of your life without gaining weight. Any other food will kill you, but eating any other food will this is a hard one. Any 3 foods? I would rather click the button, guys. I mean, the way that I am now, I'm okay. The way that I am now, that I'm okay. I'm okay with this one. Alright, where's the button? Guys, I can't find the button. Hold on. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Sorry. I need to move my camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just lost that. You can create and or destroy anything. I don't care. No. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Create an internet meme. I hate memes. Like, no lie, guys, I hate memes. Especially, do you know the way? I hate memes. No, I hate memes. People like memes. People love memes. They love memes. You can wish for anything you want besides wishing away the catch. But you must face your darkest fear. This guy says anything for Pokemon to be real. Oh, that's his brother? Okay. No. No. I don't like darkest fears. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna regret. All your friends will be rich, but you will be poor, and they can't give you money. No. I do not want to be poor. I do not want to be poor. I'd rather stay how I am than be you will get all the computer hardware and software you want to for free the rest of your life, but you must also have the latest and most likely unpopular. I'm gonna do 2 more and end it right here because I feel like this video is getting way too long. I just want to be myself, everybody. I'm just clicking random things right now. I'm gonna try this. Okay. You transform the world into a place without human conflict, where all humans are united in shared vision, but at the cost of human. Yeah, I like all humans, so yeah. Okay. You could become the opposite sex, but you can't go back. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.